Hello friends. So this is the second stage of entering data in the timetable system. So far all we have done is added the list of courses, list of instructors and room preferences, timing preferences. So far we have not added that which course is meant for which student. Is it a major elective? Is it a major compulsory course? It's a UW, etc. Okay, so in this stage we will do that. So the way we have to do that, each department will have to tell the system that for my department, which all courses are important, okay, and our student will be distributed in which all courses. So I prepared this Excel sheet. You don't have to prepare this Excel sheet, but I have kept it handy to demonstrate into the system. So the way I will be entering the information in the system is like this. So first thing, you will need to tell the system that how many students you have in each year of your department. So that's in the first and second row. So this one is saying that uh, maths major has 25 students in first year, 25 students in second year, 25 students in third year and fourth year. Okay. So that's one information we will need to feed into the system. And main information is this. So you have to make a list of courses that your department students are supposed to take, okay, and you have to. This is how we tell the system that uh, each year student will be distributed in which all courses like this. So what you have to do is for each of the course that your department student needs to take, you have to tell here in the system that for that particular course, what percentage of the year-wise student will be enrolling in that course. For example, here MAT 020, and in front of that I have year 1 100%, now others are blank. Then I'm telling the system that in MAT 020, 100% of first year math major students will be enrolling. Similarly, here I'm telling the system that in MAT 100, 100% of first year math major will be enrolling. Okay. Here I've left everything blank. That is MAT in MAT 103, no first year, no math major students are supposed to be enrolled in. Okay, so other department students, other first year engineering students take this course. So math students will not be enrolling. So not be enrolling in MAT 103. So I will leave that as blank. Again, similarly, in MAT 160, 100% of first year student will be enrolling in. Okay. So that's all the compulsory courses for first year maths. And here's a one example of major elective. So this one is this two row is showing that in MAT 161 and MAT 184 are supposed, for example, are major electives for second year students. Okay, so the way we have done is we have slotted them that our students are required to take one of them. They can take both if they want, but we are not obligated to offer them both in the different slots. So this one is the 50% here and 50% here. The number is telling the system that the second year math major students will be splitting up into MAT 161 in MAT 184. Okay, these are major electives for uh, uh, second year maths. Okay, and I'm leaving a blank in this column and this column and this column. That means I'm telling the system that no first year, third year, or fourth year are expected to be enrolled in MAT 161 and MAT 184. Okay. Then similarly in MAT 205, no maths major students are supposed to enroll. Again here, yes, I'm telling the system that 100% of second year students are expected to enroll in MAT 221, MAT 240, MAT 283. In MAT 330, MAT 360, 100% of third year students are supposed to enroll. Then I have another example of major electives. So in MAT 388 and MAT 390, I am telling the system that 50% of the third years will split up into MAT 388, MAT 390 as major electives. Also, fourth year, 50%, 50% will split up into major electives in MAT 388 and MAT 390. Okay. Okay, and similarly, we have major elective slot 3 and 4, where third year and fourth year will split up into MAT 442 and MAT 494 into half-half. And similarly, in MAT 380 and BDA 483, third year and fourth year will split up into 50%, 50%. Okay, so that's how we do. We have to tell the system, supply this data. Then in the timetable software, then you can tell whether these slots can be overlapping or they necessarily do not have to be overlapping. Okay, it doesn't mean that they have to be overlapping. So in a separate video, I will demonstrate how we would enter this information in the system.